Hey there, Jess with your day 76 pregnancy update, and I'm feeling pretty good today. Still pretty nauseous, kind of tired. I'm ready for the first trimester to be over. I remember from my last pregnancy that the second trimester was by far my favorite one because you got your energy back and you weren't so sick and you weren't as big as a house yet. So ready for the second trimester, bring it. We had a good day today. We went to Friday Fest and walked around and kind of hung out, kept it easy. I had a pregnancy massage this morning, which was really nice. It's nice to just kind of relax and zen out for an hour. I kind of want to focus on doing that on a more regular basis this pregnancy because I think the self-care aspect of it is really important to me and one that I kind of missed out on with my last pregnancy. I think that it's important to just kind of have a relaxed body, for the baby and for me and for the family. So it's good to just kind of not be so available this go around with the pregnancy and just kind of focus on myself. So I'm excited about that. We did get our ultrasound machine in, and it is much harder to use than I thought it was going to be. We did find the heartbeat, which was exciting, but it took us a while, and it's very faint, and you have to like count how many heartbeats you hear. And you have to also think about hearing your own heartbeat. So ours is slower than the baby's. The baby's is faster, usually beats around like 150 beats per minute, somewhere around there. But we did hear it earlier today, so that made me feel better. And I'll probably be using this maybe a couple more times during the pregnancy. Does anybody else have one of these Dopplers that they've used before? Let me know in the comments below. That's all I got for today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.